Okay, in our second example, we have x over 8 minus 1 half equals negative 7 halves. Remember, at any time you can pause this video and write something down and continue later, or you can rewatch it at any time. So we got x over here, and we want to undo. So we're going to take this piece first. We want to add or subtract, and then multiply or divide last. So with this here, the opposite of minus a half is going to be plus a half. So you got to do that on both sides of the equation. When we do that, these will cancel. Negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6 halves. And that's going to equal my x over 8 because these will cancel and make a zero pair. This also then is negative 3 equals x over 8. So the only thing I have left to do is undo division. This is x divided by 8. So if I multiply by 8 and multiply by 8, this is like 8 over 1. These will cancel, and I will have x by itself equal to negative 24. So a good way to double check is to go back up here and put my negative 24 in for x over 8 minus 1 half equals my negative 7 halves. And I got to see if this is a true statement. So I can make this eighths to make a common denominator. So that's going to be 4. So it's negative 24 eighths minus 4 eighths is equal to 7 halves. Well, I can do negative 24 minus 4 is negative 28 over 8. And I need to know if that's equal to 7 halves. Well, if I do multiply by 4, I get my 8. Multiply by 4, I get my negative 28. So yes, this answer makes sense. So x equals negative 24. Over here is my check. If you think you understand this one, you can click next to try 3 more on your own.